Hello, this is Lindsay, and there's been some YouTubing talking about about me, saying that I can't sing, and I'm just trying to prove it to you guys. I'm here to prove it to you guys. I can sing. I am the best, one of the best. So don't go there again. I'm singing Ego by Beyonce. Ooh, baby, how you doing? You know, I'm gonna cut right to the chase. Some women are made, but me, myself, I like to think that I was created for a special purpose. You know, what's more special than you? You feel me? It's home, baby, let's get lost. You don't need to call into work 'cause you're the boss. For real, want you to show me how you feel. I consider myself lucky, that's a big deal. Why? Well, you got the key to my heart, but you ain't gonna need it.